morning, student of class 5th. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And now, more than 2-3 months pass, you are enjoying home teaching also. So, student, give time to studies also. I know these days you are unable to go outside your houses also. Maximum time you are in the house. So, student, please give some time to study also. Is it clear? So student, take out your EVS book, because now I am teaching you chapter 11, India our country. Whenever you are watching the student video, please before watching the video, you take your book, rough copy and one pen or pencil with you, so that you can note down the important points also which we have discussed in the chapter. And even student, if you are unable to understand anything, you can discuss that thing in online classes with your teacher. Is it clear, student? So let do little recapitulation of the previous video, and then we will discuss the other topics of this chapter. So student, in my previous video I explained you that India is the 7th largest country of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the India is the 7th largest country of the world. Okay, after that quick recapitulation I am doing. After that I have discussed with you about the states and capitals of India. Then we discuss states and their capitals. And even we have discussed what are the famous places in these states. What and after that we discuss how many states now we having how many states in India, student? We having 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay. Okay, see 28 state and 8 union territories. We have also discussed what happens in those, what is the difference between the, I have already discussed with you what is the difference between states and what is the difference between the union territories. Okay, in all the state there is a chief minister who make the rules and regulation for its states, and he was elected by the members of that state, because they give the vote at the time of a election. And about union territories, I have already explained you, due to some reason these are separate from the state. Okay, geographical reason and cultural reason and political reason, which I have already discussed in my 2 videos with you. Even if you have doubt, you can ask in doubt session. Okay, student. Now after that, student, union territories we have discussed, and who is the head of the union territories and who president, and after that what happens is representative see all the things in that area which are union territories. Okay, so student, what are the rules and law followed in the central government? That all are followed in the that's union territories. But out of these 8 union territories, I told you there are 2 union territories, that is Delhi and Pondicherry, they have their own chief minister. That is the another point which I told you about the union territories. And after that, student, we are discussing about the hills, plateaus, coastal plain. Let discuss this thing, and after that I will explain you the six physical division of the India. Okay, so one time more, let's see on the board for your good understanding. So student, what is a valley? For example, see the picture. See, this is a picture of the mountain. This is a picture of a mountain. What are these? These are mountains. These are mountains. Now what is a valley? A land between the two hills. Now see where I put my marker and do some drawing work. वही समझ लेना वैली है. ठीक है. This is the mountains, and now the area, this area which is in these two mountains के बीच का जो एरिया हुआ, यही आपकी क्या हो गई? वैली हो गई. ठीक है. और hills, for example, in chapter number 12 when we discuss about the mountain range of India, then it is divided into three. It divided into three. We will study Himadri, then middle Himalayas, what we say Himachal range, and then we will discuss the Shivalik range. Okay, so hills are not like a mountains, they are smaller than, उनकी हाइट जो होती है माउंटेन से कम होती है. ठीक है. माउंटेन्स की बहुत हाइट होती है, हिल्स की हाइट माउंटेन से कम होती है. नाउ आफ्टर दैट लेट डिस्कस व्हाट आर प्लेट्यूज. Okay, student, see on the board what are the plateaus. Plateaus are also highland. For example, like a hill, you can say hill and a mountain. I show you on the board. They have, see this is a mountain. ठीक है. ये पीक पॉइंट होती है, माउंटेन्स की चोटियां होती हैं. ठीक है. So but in the case of a plateaus, what is the common between these mountains and plateaus? What is the common thing is that, for example, like a mountain, these are also highland. These are also highland, like a hills कह सकते हो या mountains कह सकते हो. है. But what is the difference? See what is the difference here. For example, you see, I rub it and make it again so that it is more clear to you. For example, is it clear? So they have a peak, एक ऊंचाई चोटियां होती हैं hills और mountains में. But what are plateaus? Plateaus are also like higher land. They are also highland. But what is the difference? Difference is from where I rub the board. See, I rub the board. Now what's happened? These are also highlands. These are also highlands, but they are flat. They are flat. Is it clear? Plateaus are also highlands, but on from the top you will see they are flat. From the top you will see they are what? They are flat from the top. They are flat from the top. So that is a plateaus. That is, student, this is a plateaus. And now after that, one more point is given here, which I discuss with you. Next is, see page number 75. It is given coastal plains. COASTAL, coastal plains. PLAINS. Now what is this coastal plain, students? See, where the sea water touch the land. For example, you have seen lot of rivers. For example, गंगा रिवर को ले लो अपने वाराणसी की, तो उसके भी तो किनारे हैं ना, गंगा घाट हम बोलते हैं ना, गंगा के किनारे वाले जगह को सब हम कहते हैं ना गंगा के घाट हैं. सी इन द सेम मैनर द वेयर द सी वाटर, जो समुद्र होता है, रिवर से बड़े होते हैं, समुद्र बहुत बड़े होते हैं, ओशन उससे भी बड़े होते हैं. तो वेयर द सी वाटर टच द लैंड, इज इट क्लियर? वेयर द सी वाटर टच द लैंड, दैट इज नोन एज कोस्टल प्लेन. जहां सी वाटर लैंड को टच करता है, ठीक है, दैट आर कोस्टल प्लेन्स. एंड आफ्टर दैट सी एक वन मोर न्यू थिंग इज गिवन. सी after that a peninsula is an area, new word is given here, that is note down. You can write in your rough copy also. Note down peninsula. So what is this? Peninsula? Peninsula is the area of a land. ठीक है, ये भी जमीन का एक टुकड़ा है. But from the three sided it was surrounded with water. For example, if just for their good understanding I make map of India, not from the top, just bottom map of the India I draw on the board and you just observe it. See, this is a bottom map of India. See, this is the, I am not drawing the top one, I am just drawing the bottom map. You can see in your book also. You can see in your book also. Now, see in the west you will see Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea you will see in the west. And here upper portion is known as north. Upper portion is north. This is south. This is west. And this is east direction. This is east. This is east. North, south, west and east. Okay. So from the west you will see Arabian Sea, and here east you will see Bay of Bengal. And here in the south you will see it is written Indian Ocean. Here it is written Indian Ocean. Now see student, please observe the map of the India. I just draw the bottom map of India. Is it clear? This is the bottom map of India. Now see, this is a part of the land. ठीक है, ये देखो लैंड का पार्ट है. ठीक है, it is a white board, but if you see in the map which is given in the book, this all portion is shown with the blue color. This all portion is shown with the blue color. And we know that blue color stands for water. Blue color stands for water. Blue color stands for water. This portion, this portion, this portion. Okay. So this is a land portion. This is the western part, Western Ghats. These are Western Ghats, and these from here, यहाँ to you, these are their Eastern Ghats. Okay. And here all these Western Eastern Ghats, these are, and from here all these are in touch with the water. All these are in touch with the water. So what is a peninsula? Peninsula is a land which is surrounded by three sides with the water. Now you can see, for example, this is a land. This position, you see what I am doing. This is the land position. For example, this is the land position. From west side it is surrounded by Arabian Sea. In the south, Indian Ocean, and in the east you will see Bay of Bengal. So what is a peninsula? Peninsula is a land. जमीन का वो टुकड़ा होता है बेटा. It is that part of the land, student, which is surrounded, मतलब घिरा हुआ. ठीक है ना, जैसे किसी को चोट लग जाती है, बच्चे सब उसको घेर के खड़े हो जाते हैं. हो गया ना. तो अब देखो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज अ पीस ऑफ अ लैंड एंड all three sides, one side Arabian Sea, one side Indian Ocean, and one side Bay of Bengal. It is from the three side, this is surrounded by the water bodies. Okay, so that is, So peninsula is a land which is surrounded by three sides with the water body, that is known as peninsula. I hope you all are able to understand. आ गया होगा छोटा मोटा ऐसा एक रफ डायग्राम तुम लोग भी बना लेना. रियल का पानी नहीं गिराना, मेरी तरह लिखना वाटर, ब्लू कलर स्टैंड फॉर वाटर, सो डैट आपकी कॉपी वेट नहीं होगी, गीली नहीं होगी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर दैट इंडिया. नाउ स्टूडेंट, अप टू दिस वी हैव डिस्कस. नाउ now when we are talking about it is in your book. See in your book, see page number 75. India is broadly divided into the following 5 physical division. So please cut 5. Here it is written 5, F-I-V-E, 5 physical division. So with the pencil or pen you cut it and write it here. SIX, 6, SIX. India is divided into 6 physical division. Okay, because when you will study the same book, in the things to remember in the book, it is right data is given in the book. In India we have to study physical map of India and it is divided into 6 parts. But when you do the reading from the chapter, in the chapter reading, by chance it is written 5, cut 5 and make it 6. Is it clear? Okay, student. So what are valleys, what are hills, plateaus, what are coastal plains, and what are island? One more thing which I have to discuss with you, that is islands. If you want to note down. See, all of you, open page number 74. Page number 74. Please open page number 74. Okay. Page number 74. When you see the India map, when you observe, जब आप देखोगे, when you observe the India map, then student you will see Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. See here where it is written in the book, Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. So student, you will observe that where these land from all the sides, from all the sides, they are surrounded by water. Is it clear, student? You observe the book, page number 74. When you observe the book, see in the book where it is written Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. See where you will find in the map of the India map, you will observe that no other state is in touch with these 2 islands. All the sides of these islands are surrounding with the water. All the sides of these islands are surrounded with water. So student, what are islands? Islands are that part of the land. Islands are that part of the land. Is it clear? What are island? Island is that part of a land which is surrounded by water from all the sides. Okay, that part of the land which is surrounded with water all sides. So that is the island. Clear? Island भी हो गया अब आप लोगों का. Now see student. Now this we have discussed. Now student, after this student, there is a small introduction, just introduction I am saying. Please listen what I am speaking. After this, I told you that India is divided into 6 physical division. Okay, 6 physical 6 physical division. So student, here I am saying you only introduction of the name is given in this chapter. Okay, just I will tell you I will write the what physical division we have to study, but here I will not give any explanation. You are very surprised. Without explanation कैसे समझ आएगा? सर ने तो मना कर दिया. So student, उसका रीजन सुन लो. Reason is that chapter number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These all 12 to 16 chapter are on these headings. आई बात समझ में? जो इसकी 6 फिजिकल डिवीजन है ना, इसके नेक्स्ट वाले चैप्टर में सारे चैप्टर में एक एक फिजिकल डिवीजन का फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन है. इसलिए जस्ट नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर आई विल डू द इंट्रोडक्शन कि क्या इंट्रोडक्शन है इंडिया के फिजिकल डिवीजन की. बिकॉज चैप्टर नंबर 12 जाओगे, देन यू विल स्टडी. I write it on the board and then I will tell, then you are able to understand. See, 6 physical division. First one, the great mountains. Great mountains of India. See, the great mountains of India. This is your chapter number 12. ठीक है? So that I want to explain. Here I will only give you the introduction. सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा कि इन 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड है और हमें इसे पढ़ना है. बट आई एम नॉट गिविंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन. अगर यहाँ पे टोटल एक्सप्लेनेशन देने लगे तो 11 चैप्टर कम से कम 1 मंथ से ऊपर हो जाएगा, कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. क्योंकि जितनी इसकी हेडिंग्स हैं वही तुम्हारे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है. दिस द ग्रेट माउंटेन्स ऑफ इंडिया, दिस इज योर चैप्टर नंबर 12. चैप्टर नंबर 13 नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया. चैप्टर नंबर 14 डेक्कन प्लेट्यूज. चैप्टर नंबर 15 कोस्टल प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट 16 ग्रेट डेजर्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड आइलैंड्स ऑफ इंडिया. So what 6 headings are given, that are the your next chapter. So here I will give you only the introduction. See, the great mountains of India. So I just give you little explanation. In great mountains of India, we will study the Himalayan range of India. That is, we study one, the largest Himalayas, which we say Himadri. Then second is the middle Himalaya, which we say Himachal. And third is the lowest range, that is Shivalik. Okay, this we have to study. This is the highest Himalayas. These Himachal are the middle Himalayas and Shivalik are the lower Himalayas. Okay, this we have to study in the great mountains of India. The great mountains of India, this thing we have to cover in this chapter. Now after that, second one, the northern plains. The northern second heading in physical is the northern plains. So student, for here you must try to understand what are the northern plains of India. So northern plains of India, they start from Punjab to Assam. Okay, so these northern plains are the very important, most fertile land in the world. That is here northern plains we have to study, and they start from Punjab to Assam. And after that, student, in the, or you want to know the other state, Punjab, it is in Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. These are your northern plains. These are your northern plains. And even I will tell you here why these northern plains are very important, because they have a fertile land. And how, why they are, these lands are very fertile. So that full explanation I will give you. What are the rivers? What are the river due to these lands are so much fertile? That we will discuss in chapter number 13. Then next, then we will study third, desert. Desert of India. So in this desert of India, student, I will explain you which is the greatest desert. That is about Thar desert. सबसे बड़ा रेगिस्तान, ये इसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, थार डेजर्ट. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन दिस हेडिंग वी विल स्टडी दिस अबाउट थार डेजर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. थार डेजर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. देन फोर्थ हेडिंग इज डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. Deccan Plateau. Just when I explain you the meaning of the word peninsula, the land is surrounded by three sides. तो मैंने आपको उस समय एक बार बोला था, पता नहीं आप लोग ने ध्यान दिया कि नहीं दिया, पॉज करके देख लेना वीडियो में. वहां पे मैंने बोला था ये जो है, ये एरिया जो मैं मार्कर से दे रहा हूँ, ये वेस्टर्न घाट्स हैं, उधर वाले ईस्टर्न घाट्स हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो वी विल डिस्कस दैट थिंग्स इन दिस. और जो डेक्कन प्लेट्यूज का एरिया है, जिसके एक तरफ वेस्टर्न घाट है, इधर वेस्ट डायरेक्शन है तो वेस्टर्न घाट्स हुए, वेस्ट, और इधर ईस्टर्न है तो इधर वाले ईस्टर्न घाट्स बोलेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? तो वी विल डिस्कस. देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कस द आइलैंड्स. फोर्थ, फिफ्थ हो गया आपका कोस्टल प्लेन्स. इसमें डेक्कन प्लेट्यू पढ़ेंगे. फिर क्या आपका फिफ्थ, कोस्टल प्लेन्स. कोस्टल प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है. डेक्कन प्लेट्यू में तो डेक्कन प्लेट्यू के वेस्ट में वेस्टर्न घाट है और ईस्ट में ईस्टर्न घाट है. ठीक है. लेकिन डेक्कन प्लेट्यू का जो ऊपर का एरिया है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस डेक्कन प्लेट्यूज. ओके. अब कोस्टल प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया, अब ये है कोस्टल प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया में डेक्कन प्लेट्यू, जो इंडिया का ये जो बीच वाला मैप का जो भाग आएगा, जो ऊपर की ओर है, जो वेस्टर्न और ईस्टर्न घाट से, उस एरिया को पढ़ेंगे हम लोग, डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. अब कोस्टल प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया, इन दिस वी विल स्टडी about full western ghats and eastern ghats. Is it clear? Because this is the portion of the land where the sea water touch. Because this is the portion of the land where the sea water touch. So here we will study coastal plains of India, western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. And then the sixth is islands. Islands of India. So here student we will study islands of India. Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, two islands are in India. So we will discuss about that things, how the life is possible on that island, what type of peoples, and there are how many places are habitated. मतलब जहाँ पे आबादी है, ऐसा नहीं है कि सारी जगह है, ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है. So in the sixth we will study islands of the India, where the land is all the side land is surrounded by the sea, that is island. Thank you student, I hope you are enjoying and doing some study. Okay, have a good day student.